So this one behind me is the water pump. So just relaxing here after walking. So I need lotion with my to my feet. So I will do some online shopping here. Magkuha kas kamuti bit dala ang kuan. Kamuti ha. Aw dali ko lotion bitaw tong yellow be. Basilin. Basilin. Asa diha ba mahadlok ta. Grabe inita bugno diri no. So we're gonna eat here potato from Philippines. Okay, so next is I'm going to color my two nails to black. So later on I'm going to wash and do some foot spa, and later on I'm going to salon also. I'm going to uh, do my hair and also nails and foot scrub. So this is my two nail polish today. We have to eat, so we have food. Alam mo ba? Wait sa kanali. Butang gana ang pagkaon. Pilit lang. Alay ako pilit. So that's our food. So we're going to eat. So we also have to clean the table later on because of the rain last night. So how about stocking? I have some stockings that I can try on next video. If you want, then I will do that also. I sound lazy here. So to my members, channel members, so for the driving video, I cannot, for the meantime, this is just temporary. I cannot upload a driving video for now, but I will promise to make it up to you when the car is good again. So it needs to bring to the maintenance. So I'm really thinking of buying a car, but then It's good to save first. I will save for that. So let's just wait for a while. It's still hot. So after a while, then I'm going to eat. Big, magsawsawan ta ani? Sawsawan? Unsa pod? Pati sukar man to na ilahan ay? Pati suka? Oh? Sili? Ikaw ganahan kag hipon diha, dala lang. Na may hipon diha, basta ganahan ka. So I do shopping with sandal. Sili na pa rin sili diha. Pula. Hinat nagnaikahoy guro diri usa no. Oh, okay na ano. So I'm talking to a friend here in my neighbor. So what I do here, usually I just walk in the street and I wear, in the mountain usually I wear t-shirts and pants, and here in the house um, I wear dresses, so I need comfortable dress so that it's more comfort for me. Comfort for me. It's very comfortable. Sometimes it's very noisy outside and I miss up my words. So I'm just enjoying the view, the garden. So later on, I think I will collect more plants for my garden. And next week, I have to hire someone to paint my roof. And that's my day. And this is potato, yellow potato in the Philippines. So okay, I'm going to order one sandal today because it's only one pair left. So that's all for now. Bye everyone.